Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at some basis loaded lacquer and Ribbit Stickits. And this actually, I'm going to give you a little bit of a trigger warning. The words I will be using are not generally YouTube friendly and social media friendly. And it's not because of something that I'm saying that is wrong. It's something that they are doing that's wrong. And we're here to put a stop to that and hopefully change something. April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. And I'm going to try not to get mad about this doing this video, because this does really kind of anger me, like it should most of you, especially if you've ever been a victim of sexual assault of any kind whatsoever. And I really don't know personally any woman that has not been affected somehow with this subject. But endthebacklog.org is a arm of Joyful Heart Foundation, and they raise money to end the backlog. There is a backlog in each state. It's different. I'll put the link down below. You can go check your own state. They have a backlog of sexual assault kits that are just essentially sitting in buckets on shelves. And the oldest ones get tossed and new ones put in, and they're not even investigated. They're not followed through. Those rape kits are never tested. We want to end that if we can at all. So Basis Loaded Lacquer and Ribbit Stickits have teamed together to bring you a duo. This is a pre-order, and the pre-order begins April 1st through the 15th. And what you're going to get, it's $22.50 for the duo, $7 for individual creams, and $4 from every polish sold, and $3.50 from every cream sold will be donated to End the Backlog. So with the duo, $7.50 is going to be donated. That is just profit. Their costs are essentially what you want to pay for their cost, and then beyond that is donation. Last year, did I already tell you this? Last year they raised $700, which is awesome. There is also a link to directly to Basis Loaded Lacquer with the PayPal, so you can, if you don't want to buy any polish or lotion and you want to just donate to the bulk of this, that's what I do, because I receive this to show you guys. I will be making a flat donation to the cause, so you can absolutely do that, or you can buy this duo to donate it to somebody else in need, to a women's shelter or a homeless shelter. Whatever you'd like to do, give it to a friend, use it yourself. I'm going to show you the polish and what all comes here in it. Please join the Facebook group. I'll also put that link down below. And what is going to be in this is going to be this beautiful polish here. It is a denim blue polish with green, gold, and pink copper shimmers and gold holo microglitters. So pretty. I am going to swatch it for you. And you're also going to get Ribbit Stickits Un-frog-gettable hand and cuticle cream scented in cotton candy. There's also a choice of beach sage and mint. Ugh, love this one. Cotton candy. This one doesn't really smell that sweet to me. It's not like, boom, cotton candy, you know. It also smells really good, but this one is my favorite. These are 1 ounce jars. You will be getting a 2 ounce jar, so it'll be like 2 of these. I love this stuff because, here, you can pause it if you want to look at the ingredients. It is amazing. It is like a matte lotion, so I love this especially for taking swatch pictures, because I don't like my fingers looking all greasy. And this is a really nice cuticle cream. I love this stuff. But the first 20 pre-orders placed will also receive a free 5 milligram Lush Lacquer Squeezie scented in cotton candy. I don't have the cotton candy scent. This one is apple. This is the 5 ml, and then I also have a 10 ml. This one is it's Gwen's glazed donuts. So this is Nana's glazed donuts. It's still sealed. I purchased that one, and this one is still sealed. I have several over here in a little container that I use from. And again, like I said, you can make a donation to Bases Loaded Lacquer PayPal me, and it is listed on the website. On my nails, I do have no label on this. This is Bases Loaded Lacquer. Let's see, I got one. Here's another one. I love this base coat. This is Starry Blush Foundation Base Coat. I believe this is the one I have on though. Here is the polish. So pretty. And it's called Progress. I don't think I even said what it was called. And we'll zoom in here a little bit. Ooh, that's really pretty. Pretty dang opaque. Sorry about that. Very nice, very sparkly, very pretty. That is one coat. All right, sorry, just got a call from unemployment. Yay. All right, here is coat 2. Such a pretty color. All right, there is 2 coats. It is completely covered in 2 coats. It is a little bit like a satin finish. This is just with 1 coat of top coat. It's not textured. It is a gorgeous, sparkly, beautiful. And here we have the Un-frog-gettable hand and cuticle cream. Love this stuff. As you can see, I've been using the heck out of it. I just put a little bit on a brush and put it in the palm of my hand so that I can just use from that. And you see it's matte. There's no like oily looking bull craps going on. And it doesn't take much to do cuticles, of course. And then once my polish is dried completely, I will like put it on the rest of my hands. Smells so good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me and checking out this polish. And if you don't want the polish or the lotion, you absolutely can make a donation. And I do believe that Christy with Ribbit Stickits is also doing on her website. You can donate straight there also. So I will put her link down below too. Thanks, you guys. Bye. Oh, I know. Getting ya. They're gonna get her. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.